Good morning from ORTEX. Today is Monday, November 7th, and these are your data highlights. Ride-sharing specialist Lyft will report third quarter earnings results after the close today, with analysts looking for $1.06 billion in sales and earnings per share of 7 cents. Lyft will need to hit the high end of its outlook to meet Wall Street's expectations. Investors have some reason to be optimistic, as a larger peer, Uber, reported strong results last week that show consumer demand for ride-sharing services is strong despite a challenging macroeconomic backdrop. Lyft said last quarter that it expected the business to accelerate in September thanks to the back-to-the-school season, which should also drive an uptick in demand for the bikes and scooters business. Short interest has been trending higher over the past year, but has stabilized in recent months. There are now 37.4 million shares held short, or 12.4% of free float. Video game giant Activision Blizzard is also on deck to release its latest numbers after the bell, with consensus estimates calling for 50 cents per share in profit on $1.7 billion in revenue. The game publisher recently launched the latest version of its flagship Call of Duty franchise ahead of the all-important holiday shopping season. However, the results will not be consequential to the stock price due to Microsoft's pending acquisition of Activision Blizzard. Due to the proposed transaction, management will not host a conference call with analysts. The company expects the deal to close by next June, but the acquisition faces intense international regulatory scrutiny. For instance, the European Commission is reportedly about to launch an investigation. Make sure to subscribe and come back every weekday for interesting data highlights from ORTEX.